everyone, Christina here with One Creative Direction. How are we doing? So I said on my update video I wasn't going to make any painting videos, but I figured since I'm here I might as well. So tonight we're going to, and my camera keeps, oh, I think it's good. We're going to dip some wine glasses. Now I've done a dozen or so of these. So I usually do these on my tile, and I'm going to do a bloom. I haven't tried any other technique for the wine glasses. I do have two of them that have a pretty high rim on them. So I thought about potentially doing a cup pour on those with like a cloud mix, and I would tape off around the edge of them so the paint didn't get over them. So I may do that, but for this one we are going to do bloom. So she wants teal, so I picked out a teal. I picked out an iridescent blue green, Deco Art 24 karat gold, and Color Arts mermaid scales. I can't read. And so those are the ones that we're going to use today. So let's get started. It's been a long time since I painted, so hopefully I remember what I'm doing here. Just kidding. I don't think I'm going to forget, but you never know. And hopefully my paints are good. They have been sitting here a while. I did try to shake them up really, really good. So hopefully everything goes good. All right. So if you didn't see my update video, I'll just cover it real quick. I am going to be packing up everything in my art room to be moving here very soon. So there will be a few months where I will not be able to make videos. So I will appreciate all your guys' patience and wait for me to return when I get all settled in my new place. And if you missed any of my other videos, I am moving to Florida. Don't ask me where yet because I haven't really settled on what location yet. I have opportunities in a few different places, so when the time comes, I will let you know. All right, let's get a cell activator on here. I'm thinking I want to do black, but I'm not sure. So, yeah, I think I'm going to do black. I'm going to use my Winsor & Newton cell activator. My new recipe, or my latest cell activator recipe, using Penetrol, which I really like, and it stays really well for the longevity. All right, let's get that on there. Hopefully I don't have to thin that out. And it works really well, otherwise I'm gonna be scraping this paint. Spin that a little bit. Hey guys, while I'm blowing this out, there's a couple portions in the video I'm just going to speed up and throw some music on, so enjoy. Okay, so here's my two glasses. I've already cleaned the bottom of them off with alcohol. And it's really just like dipping your jewelry. The key is all of them have like a little, like they taper inwards towards the center. So you always want to make sure you get paint all the way in there. That's why I didn't want to spin too much, because you want to leave plenty of paint on here. And these are a lot bigger than round than the last ones I did. So it's going to take up quite a bit of paint. So you basically just hover over the section that you like. Like I said, I'm hoping to get 2. So I'm hoping I can get 1 over here and 1 here. That's going to be very challenging. Might have to, yeah, I don't want to get this in there, so I think we're gonna have to go. See, it would have been perfect if you could have gotten 1 here and 1 here, but it didn't work out that way, did it? So we're gonna have to go here. Oh crap, it's not going up in that peak. Now it's stuck. See, that's the problem. I'm gonna try it one more time and hopefully it works. So we've got this spot here, and I wonder if I need to like start it and drag it. Let's try that. Let's start here and drag over. That didn't work either. Okay, we're gonna rethink this. Okay guys, I'm back. Hopefully you can appreciate my ingenuity here. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna work either, because I think the paint's gonna roll off before I have time to dip it. This is my attempt number 2, and I have a third idea, but I'm here and we're gonna try this. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of my lids off of my paints first, so I can do this very, very quickly. And all right, we're gonna do first, second, third, and last. Okay, we're gonna space those out. And I probably will not have to spin this. I won't need to do that. We're gonna have to hold it in place and kind of turn it around. So I'm gonna get some of this gold in here. All right, so we're gonna start here and I'm gonna hold it and kind of, I think that worked. I might have to touch up the edge, but looky there. We got full coverage. I can touch up this little edge here, no problem. Actually, I can do that right now. Actually, I can probably just dip it somewhere. I think we'll just dip it right there. It'll be fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that worked really well. I just noticed a blank spot. Oh, I thought it worked. if you guys can see that. There are some bare spots there, and I don't know if I can fix that. But I'm going to try, since we're already there, I'm going to try to dip this. It's like it is resisting for some reason. Okay guys, I'm back. And you're either gonna think I'm crazy smart or just crazy if this works. All right, so what I did was I taped around the rim, and we will very carefully peel that off when it dries. And I have just a tad of paint in here. And we're gonna pour just enough to hopefully cover and potentially can pour any extra out. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I am going to pour this around just like I would a painting. And hopefully we have just enough paint to cover it. Go back here. I was afraid you weren't going to be able to see any gold, but it's starting to pop up. Hopefully we have enough paint that it will be able to cover this entire glass. I don't know what it's going to look like on the other side, but we can always wash it off and try again tomorrow night. There we go. Trying to blow it over there. Okay. We're not going to be able to see that until I pull that off, but you can see there's not a lot of extra, so I think I got just enough on there. And I'm going to torch this real quick because it says I did put a little bit of cloud mix in there. And this may actually look really good from the bottom and the top, so we shall see. But it doesn't look too bad from there. Before I post this video, I will wait. These don't take that long to dry. These will be dry by morning. And I'll peel this tape off so we can see the top and the bottom, and update the end so we can see if it worked or it didn't work. Hey guys, quick update on the wine glasses. I wanted to show you how they turned out. It's going to be kind of hard to see. I don't know if you can see that. It actually turned out a lot better. I did 2 sets like that. You can see this one a little bit better. It turned out pretty good, I thought. I still have to coat the bottom of them. So that's the one set. And then these were a little bit bigger, but you can see that as well. Turned out pretty darn good, I think, for a cup pour on these. So the ones that I was trying to dip, I actually removed the paint from both of them and decided to go with a, I just poured again on a tile, a 6x6 tile. And what I'm going to do is cut it and glue it So it looks like, this is so difficult, looks like that. So it'll look a lot better than, I was just getting too much see-through when I was dipping these, and I didn't like it. So I don't know if it was just too much transparent paint or it just wasn't sticking correctly to the glass, even though I cleaned it really well. So yeah, so that's my update. And good news, my house sold the first day. So I will be moving either the last week of December or the first part of January. So I may be back and set back up in my new place sooner than I thought. So stay tuned. I still have one more video I can release before I get set back up. So that'll be good. And once again, guys, thanks for being patient and holding out while I'm in the process of moving. I greatly appreciate it. Just a look around my room here. Everything is pretty much packed up. You can see all of those green totes. See all those green totes, all those boxes? That's all my art stuff. It's crazy. It looks so weird in here. But yeah, I guess it was worth it since my house sold fast. But once again, everybody, thanks for coming along with me, and I will catch you guys soon.